This video will show an example of where you may log in and try and run Cadence, and Cadence thinks your ID is already running another instance of Cadence, either on the machine that you're connected to or another computer. We will take a look at how to clear things out so you can run Cadence cleanly. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to SSH from Syndeo over to a production machine. So I'm going to go to server 07. And forgot to put my user ID in there. Okay. Now, and I have a video that I'm in the process of making. So I'm going to source the environment. Okay, it's a little bit different than you may have seen before, but you're going to see a video showing how to source the environment the way I'm doing it here with fewer keystrokes. And now I'm going to change into the Skywater. I want to change into the Skywater Process Design Kit directory. And I'll type Virtuoso. And we'll give it a second here. Okay, so I'm getting an error, and this error says there's a CDS lock file, and this CDS lock file is created when Cadence runs. It creates a CDS lock file so you don't run Cadence, another instance of Cadence from the same ID. And it's giving me a nice hint here saying that it thinks it's on server 04. So I need to go over and check and see if this is running on server 04 and close any instances of Cadence, and then we'll clear out that .cds lock file. So I'm going to go ahead and close Cadence that started running here. Okay. Okay, and then I'll come in here and enter, get my $sign back. And so I'm going to exit out of server 07. And let's go over to server 04 and check it out. Okay, so to see what processes are running, I'll type PSAUX, and I want to see what processes are running under my ID ECE361 demo. So I'll type grep, and then ECE361 demo. Okay, so I don't see any other processes running. And if there was another process running, the command we're going to run in a second would kill it. And that's what in fact, we're going to do that. So what I want to do is I want to kill any processes I have running on server 04. That's the first thing I really want to do. So I'll type kill all, -9. That means kill things without mercy, just shut them down. And then -U that are running under the user ID of ECE361 demo. This is actually going to log me off. Drops me back to Syndeo. Okay. Now, I'm going to actually go back into server 04. I could do this on server 07, but I'm going to go back into the machine where I thought I was running. And if I type ls.cds, let me see here, ls.cds ampersand. Okay, so it cleared up that CDS lock file when I did that kill all, it appears. So I'm going to type exit because I want to go back into server 07. So I'm going to come back in here to server 07. Okay, I'll type ls. I'm going to source this file here, IC231 Skywater env.sh. Again, you'll see how I made that in a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a change directory into the Skywater 130 process design kit area, and then I'll type Virtuoso. Okay, so it's .cds.lck. So it's telling me I still have that CDS lock file, so I might have been looking for the wrong thing. Let me go and check that out. We're going to click exit here. Okay. And ls.cds.lck. Oh, okay. I was looking for it under the process design kit. It would be up under the home directory. So let's see if I can find it here. Okay, so it's not under the home directory. So I'm going to do a find command, and then I'm going to grep search for the string CDS LCK. Okay, so looks like that file there, rm cds.log.cdslck. Let's remove that. And type Virtuoso. Okay, so there's that file cds.log.cds.lck is what it was holding, is what was holding it up. So that was the name of the lock file. Okay, and then I can always go here to this library manager thing, and you can see I see the Skywater library. Okay, and so for some reason I didn't exit gracefully out of server 04 sometime, and so I'm just going to go ahead and gracefully exit out here. Okay, great. And that's all there is to it. That's the how you clean up if you're running somewhere else. You have to go in and find that log file, cds.log.cdslck file, and you clear that out after you, and also kill any jobs that might be on the machine that you're currently that it suspects you're running Cadence on, and then you'll be able to run Cadence again without errors. Okay, thanks for listening. I hope this was helpful.